Little chat. Okay. Okay. Yesterday didn't really get very far. Alright, this is now 28. I still want to do the RTDC inline assembly. Sounds cool. Give them to know. Alright. Playback. No, callback. So I think seems like the rest needs to happen within the callback, which is a pain in the ass, cause but that can be fixed later, cause yeah. Cause I can check if the sound buffer is available, and then only play audio if it is. I'm half tempted to go to day 11. But no, let me just finish this better. Can do a little bit of a refactor, and I think it'll be easier to go ahead. Alright, let's just do this. Where do I set state? Here. That's where it gets connected. I don't remember what the problem was with this one. Let me stop the frames for a second. Yeah. Like the callback's never called. So I mean it should be connected by now. Stream state. Okay, so the callback's never called. I don't want to poll for it because I don't think it needs to be in the main loop. Convert.c. Safety when interacting with C code that does not expose struct details. Can be used to specify the calling convention function type. What does it do? Everything that calls floats and C API, everything works. Now refactoring it, blah blah blah. Oh yeah, this is sort of what I need. Unless does this return something? No. Fix the stream. To know what the second type is. What if I call back text and then a new pick? Callbacks looks right. I want to check if it's ever called. I don't think so, because it would have printed this. I wonder if there's a way to make it block. I don't mind it blocking there. Hey, bossy. I'm not bad. How you doing? I'm stuck in on PulseAudio. Open Handmade. I need to see what's happening. Decent. You always say that. Well, I guess because you're decent. Why are you failing me? Okay. I mean, if it makes it feel better, yeah. Where is my... Well, I could be missing a step. because probably you need to register the events before you can get it. Some bandwidth thing. PA stream new. Got a difficult issue to solve that's been plaguing me for months. Finally tackling it head on has me procrastinating a bit. Oh yeah, I can tell you're here. Jeez, why has it been plaguing you for months? Maybe you can use me as a rubber duck. What's the problem? Could have learned this. Plus in URL. Okay. This one. I need. Yeah, why not? You, I mean, you'd be surprised how many times you figure out the solution while explaining the problem. It's happened to me quite a few times. Stream new. Oh no, connect playback. Sorry, wrong one. Oh, where's the chat? Maybe I can refresh. Okay, here. The main issue is with UE5. What's UE5? D3, D12. They utilize multiple command queues. And when I go to copy a texture, it's causing conflicts where the same resource is being written on. Oh, okay. Unreal Engine 5. Okay. So the same resource is written on multiple threads. I can't talk. It's difficult, but I fixed the copy operation properly. Then in theory, I can have my stereoscopic output. Interesting. What made you think it's the copy that's causing it? To be fair, I'm procrastinating with you. Like, what was I? Oh, I gotta check documentation. Stream connect playback. Stream. Right. Okay. Sounds like a pain in the ass, to be honest. Maybe you're doing copy wrong. Is there another way to copy? Okay. Yeah, I've never worked with Unreal Engine, so I don't know. But I believe you. Yeah, that sounds tough, man. Makes my problem look much easier. Okay, if it wasn't difficult enough already. Connect, playback. Yeah, I mean, we've been stuck on it for months, so I guess a different approach is makes sense. In rainbow cubes, that sounds funny. Yeah. Well, I mean, I procrastinate a lot too, so I don't know if I should give you any advice. But I find doing the smallest thing I can to make progress helps. Something that you know how to do, and then you can do just that one bit. Sort of gets the ball rolling. What the fuck? Where's the call? Is actually as complicated as I thought. Okay, nice one. Yeah, you'll get it. I mean, it's been months, so eventually you will get it. Why playback? When do I need to set state callback? Let me check. Okay, gotcha. That makes sense. Okay. Is it like a side project or a work thing? Send the function call whenever the state changes. Yep. Is there an order? Okay. Okay, so that's why you made so much progress in 45 days. Connecting a stream will not generate operation object, or like the application should register a state change callback and wait for the stream to enter an active state. Cool workflow. What do you mean? Line completion. I don't think I've ever used it. I've seen somebody use it. I don't think I've used it myself. Let me write it down. I do like learning Wim things. But I'll take it later though, because otherwise I'll never finish this. Connections are done in context. Connecting a stream will not generate an object. Is there any other method? That if you continue to press the same key and bring up line completion, it will actually keep placing lines following that. Okay, sure. How did you do that? I don't know what's happening there. I can't see your keys. Control X, Control L. Oh, okay. Oh, this is actually quite useful. Because quite often I need function signatures and I keep copying. Okay, now back to the callback. But I'm guessing a new... Try with the arena part. Okay, I'll try it. Was it Control L? Damn, this is cool. I like it. Oh, sorry, typo. I like it. Yeah, it's pretty cool. Gonna do nice. I guess it. Oh, it gives you interesting. I didn't know that. It's pretty cool. I like that one. That's pretty good. Okay, let me read this. Session. Okay, I'll check it later. I'm getting distracted. I got to finish this. Audio streams central functionality of the sound server. Data is routed, converted, and mixed from several sources before it's passed along to a final output. Currently, there are 3 forms of audio streams: playback, record, upload. It's neat playback from the client to the server. To create stream, PA stream object must be created using PA stream new. Done that. PA stream new extended. PA stream new is for PCM streams only, while extended can be used for both PCM and compressed audio streams. Yeah, will do. At this point, application must specify what format it supports. What? I think I did. Yeah, but it never mentions any of these things. You should also have some format configuration. This first step will only create a client-side object representing the stream. To use the stream, a server-side object must be created and associates. Excuse me. Yeah, he does. Oh, jeez, why so loud? Yeah, he does implement audio. He uses the Windows audio driver. So I'm trying to use PulseAudio, which is the Linux one. I wasted my time on ALSA. Not really wasted. I understood a bit about sound, programming sound. But turns out it's an older API. ALSA was internally calling PulseAudio. So now I'm using PulseAudio. Yeah, I did get audio to work, but it blocked. So now I'm trying to get the simple version working. Now I'm trying to get the async version working. So this step will only create a client-side object representing the stream. To use the streams, a server-side object must be created and associated with the local object, depending on which type of stream is desired. A different function is needed. I need the first type. Connect playback. Similar to how connections are done in context, connecting a stream will not generate, learn that. Because streams always have a server-side buffer as part of the data flow. Overflow / underruns. PA buffer attribute. Also done this. Timing info. I haven't even got to that part yet. Still trying to get the stream. No, I don't think latency is a problem. Here, overflow, underflow, disconnecting. I could have explained this with an example. Maybe I should look for one. What's it called? Pulse. Your playback sync. Sync client. Stream state callback. Context equals user data. Interesting. Okay, write callback. Is this file read? Context state callback. Server, it multiplexes everything in that connection, including data streams. Okay, you get a new main loop. Get API. Okay, yeah, I do. if I just use the default context? Yeah, let's get a context connect. Yep. Oh, I think I missed this. Here, main loop, run. What does it call? Did I click? Okay, it's called in the context callback. Context gets date. Oh, okay, so you need to wait for context to be ready. Okay, so where do you actually write the file? Okay, I see. So context needs to be ready. Can I get context get state? Yeah, context connect. Yeah. Standard debug print. Context get state. Guess it takes context. To you and This one. Connecting. Okay, so that's why. So this is really useful. I mean, not useful. Unless the connection itself failed. So I need a callback here. Then how do I play? How do I write the buffer? Well, I can check if it's null. Okay, that could work. Maybe. Maybe. Okay. Context must be connected to a server before any operation can be issued. Initiate a connection procedure. Unlike most asynchronous operations, connecting does not result in an operation object. The application should register that. Okay, I mean, it was right there. Yeah. Set state. Context set state code. Needs context. Context, notify callback, and user data. Then where's the other callback? With this, call it context. Whoa. Oh, this was still running? Sorry. And yeah. Context and user data. Okay. Get, what's it called? I use it somewhere here. context. Okay. Get state. Okay, that's very useful. Set a list of state. Okay, never mind. I can just check it here. Unconnected, don't need that. Connecting. To be fair, I just need ready. Failed terminated. Okay. Connect. Playback. I don't care about that. I'll just crash the program. It's fine. Unreachable. Where's the rest? Stream new. What do I need to write? I do need the stream. This would be context. Callback. What did I call it? Stake callback. No. I don't think it returns anything. Nope. Need that. Make this global for now. Const sound stream. that correct? No. Okay, and then I can add it to the window later. Playback connected. Move this, all of this to the callback. Use context. Sound stream. Okay, and then and the rest happens here. Okay, let me just print this for now, see if it works. Cannot assign to constant. 60. Ah, because it's connecting. Yep, that makes sense. Else do nothing is fine. Maybe I should print. It stays in connecting. See how long it takes. Give it a minute. Okay. That's way too long. I don't think it takes that long. Oh, because I don't know if it's standard. Dot print. Field terminated. Okay, so at least it's not terminated. Let me check the docs. Did I miss something? Context must be connected before any operation can be issued. Whenever notification occurs using subscribe callback. Event that caused the callback. Client scanners examine the object changed using I have no idea. Connect new with prop list. Why don't I allocate it? What is that parameter anyways? It's the user data. Better look at about it. No idea. Does this block the callback? I mean, not really. Don't think so. The stream state. Where's the other one? Yep. Stream right. Context. I might be doing something wrong. I mean, obviously, but don't know what. It don't seem to be called more than once. The callback. Let me check the debugger. I see. I guess I understand why. Because once the window starts rendering, this operation blocks. Should I wait for? I have no idea how to do this. Comes here once. And then, yeah. Hello, Assassin Emperor. Yeah, okay. I mean, it isn't a sync API, so I would assume it can call the callback at any time. Unless the while loop blocks. I don't know, yeah. I think I'm missing something. Alright, okay, let me... Yeah, because in this example, audio is the only thing that's played. Also, I don't run this. Is that a problem? Let me check. Main loop. Okay. Main loop.h. Main. Run unlimited iterations of the main loop until the main loop's quit routine is called. Main quit. Okay, let's try this. So I'm guessing it's only running once. That's why I get one. Or maybe it's just a guess at this point. Here. What's the interval? Oh, it's the return value. What's this for? I think you can safely ignore it. Yay. Main loop. Run. Tensor it. What does it need again? Needs main loop and no. This. Main loop. Quit. Okay. See if that works. Vector type C and return the return value is specified with the main loop's quit routine and the integer variable return. What? What's this second thing for? Return value. Ah, interesting. Okay. Sound stream. Main loop. Return. Well. Equal 0. Main loop. Return. Well. Really? Does it not expect? Or does it quit? Okay, just because it doesn't need to write. Make sense? Okay, let's go. It works. But where's my window? I get sound to work and then now the window doesn't work. This is brilliant. But I think I know why, because I might have to call quit once I get. Let me just check. Cloud. When using Pulse Audio, can I quit the main loop once I have the stream to write data to? Okay, that's a problem for later. Quit main loop after stream is available. Okay, we're getting somewhere. So I have context. It's ready. And I also get stream state. No, it's context. Oh. I've got to figure out why this doesn't get updated. Is this... As for the stream state, so that means it should be registered before. Check. The session failed at set state callback. Okay, maybe it's after. Okay, stream state is 1. Oh, I didn't see that. Okay, that works. That was totally unnecessary. Okay, that's perfect. And I guess I can close the main loop here. Yep, okay, that's fine. And then this is whatever. Don't need this anymore. Now in the stream state, I can, where's the rest of my code? Don't need this. So be sound stream. Perfect. Don't need this exclamation. Connection failed. I don't need this either. That'll do. Okay, let's check the rest works. Return 1. Okay, so the stream is ready. What? Oh yeah, and then the segmentation fault. No. Hopefully it's not what I think it is. Can it should be able to access the memory. Say callback. Let's check. Here. No. Motherfucker. This was the same problem. Is it trying to... Okay, at least it's not a free. Begin right. Okay, no, it's not. It's not bad. Not what I thought it was. Valid permissions for mapped object. Guess I can fix this by... Okay, I'll check memory version error. I mean, there's no avoiding it because I can't really. C.ba loop. Okay, and then main loop. Okay, and then my window should still. Oh no, because the program crashes. What? Okay. Stream should be ready. Okay, perfect. A context. Don't need this. Okay, that's good. So now just all I gotta make sure is if this fails, I don't let it crash the program. I know what, that's a problem for tomorrow. Because I don't know how to solve it. I have no idea, in fact. I'm very close. I only need the stream now. Only. But yeah, once I have the stream, then audio is done. Well, I need to refactor it still. Okay. It's better than I thought it would be. Not ideal, but it'll do. Alright, I'm gonna call it a day there. It's much shorter stream today. Alright, thank you for hanging out. Okay, I think tomorrow we'll have audio working. And then I can move on to day 11. Basics of platform API design. Thank you, Devnin. Yeah. You have a good one too. Alright, I'll see you tomorrow. Bye. Yeah, I think it's just about to finish.